And I remember that crushed me, like it broke me. I don't think I've ever been broken like that again. So I'm very happy I got broken very early in my career because then you can throw anything at me. Then you become a kind of a thick wall.
I had my first trolling experience recently, which was so funny because on Gudi Padwa, I did this reel wherein I was asked to pick between one food. I was saying that before this term National Crush came, she was the pan name, India Crush.
Sure.
Yeah.
Song Sawan Barse Tarse Dil.
Oh.
I mean, क्या बोलूं? Yeah.
Sonali hasn't worn blush because it's naturally coming. The flush on her skin is.
And the other one is the Nirma commercial.
Yes, that was iconic. The Nirma
I'd
one.
forgotten that song, Sawan Barse. It's such a beautiful song.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the cast and maker of Broken News 2. So nice to have you all and welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you, Aina.
Pleasure to have you all. The trailer looks fab. I have to start off by saying that. And
Thank you.
also the fact that Broken News, I want to understand that ऐसी कौन सी news आपने अपने life में सुनी that kind of broke you?
Ooh, what that broke us.
Yeah,
Broke us.
just playing around the title.
मेरी पहली फिल्म जब रिलीज हुई थी इसी लाइफ में, it was made by Rachi Productions, such a huge banner. I mean, you worked with
Yeah.
them, they're wonderful people. But वो फिल्म एक सेकंड के लिए नहीं चली. And I remember मैं और सूरज जी बाहर खड़े थे. This is 2010. PVR Phoenix Mills. And ऐसे जितनी भी फिल्में थे, I think तीसवार खान उस दिन रिलीज हुई थी. लोग आ रहे हैं, थिएटर के अंदर लोग आ रहे हैं और सूरज जी कहते हैं देखो लोग आ रहे हैं, मैंने कहा था ना कि ऐसा होगा. And suddenly all these people are like, man, this is great. And suddenly they go left into the theater of Ismar Khan and nobody enters our theater. And I remember that being I was a young 20-year-old boy, I didn't know anything. Just being in that film was so huge. But nobody watched it. And I remember that crushed me, like it broke me. I don't think I've ever been broken like that again. So I'm very happy I got broken very early in my career because then you can throw anything at me. Then you become a kind of a thick wall. But that taught me a lot and that broke me for many years. It broke me.
But up chal rahi hai, so that's
Yeah, thank God. Thank
good.
God.
That everything's going well now. What about you guys?
What broke you, Shreya?
Honestly, the news out there, most of the news that you end up reading or coming across, unfortunately, are things that end up breaking you here and there constantly. So, at a personal level, there's nothing that I've read that personally broke me. But every time I hear of or read about any natural calamity or where if animals, and just like things that are as a result of global warming that happens, it always like really pinches me a whole lot. So that I can honestly say that really bothers me. Yeah.
What about you?
My answer is it's a personal tragedy. Passing away of someone who was very close. My mother-in-law actually. And it's what happens is like passing away is part of life. You know that. But when someone passes away, there is no notice. You don't expect that this is something which is going to happen now, and when it happens, So that was very sudden, and like that kind of when you're not absolutely forget like prepared, like you never saw it coming, like So, and it's death is something which is I think it's an irreversible thing, right?
Yes.
Like it's you can't do anything about it.
May I mention the mother-in-law?
I mean,
No?
Yeah. You
Wonderful person to mention here,
Yeah.
Reema Lagu, the wonderful actor who's also been very close to, in Tutu Meme, my mother has worked with her. She was part of her family. So that was tragic for everybody involved. Yeah.
It was very sudden actually. That's why we.
Yeah.
But I think we as humans can never prepare ourselves for any of these
Yeah,
things. So
absolutely.
I totally understand that. What about you, ma'am?
I think if anything that could break me would be something as final as death. And I hope I'm not broken ever then. So yeah, but that's what I can think of because everything else that came that people think could break you actually made me stronger. So I don't think I broke. But you never know what life has in store for you. So yeah.
It's coming. I'm going to make it a little lighter.
Yeah. I was like, Aina did not see that coming.
I want to start off by, I also want to ask that अब so many years of experience in the industry, कहीं ना कहीं अब जब आप अपने बारे में कुछ पढ़ते हो जो शायद सच नहीं है, have you now become immune to it कि यार ठीक है,
Yeah,
over it,
absolutely.
or does it still somewhere affect कि कोई ना कोई इसको सच तो मानेगा, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, does that
बात
still
तो कर
bother?
रहे हैं,
हाँ.
बात तो करनी चाहिए, बाकी छोड़ो, अच्छा बुरा जो भी लिखो तो सही. So I'm like, I read something recently that my team shared with me, and I didn't know where that article came from. It was such a terrible headline, but I read it and I smiled. Like, I literally, my response was, that's great. People are right. People are talking about me. That's great. So no.
But I would still say that somewhere it does poke you if something absolutely like nonsense is written. Luckily, there's been nothing scandalous where something wrong is written, but I was just sharing with them yesterday that one of the interviews that I had my first trolling experience recently, which was so funny because on Gudi Padwa, I did this reel wherein I was asked to pick between one food, and the first one was Shrikhand Puri or dosa. Now I love Shrikhand Puri and I'm a Maharashtrian, but dosa is something I eat often, so I said dosa. I was trolled, saying, "You're a terrible Maharashtrian, terrible Maharashtrian. How can you do?" And I was shocked. I said, "Oh my God, that means people view things with such a different lens." And I had to actually, I commented and I had to justify, and I laughed at myself. Why are you even justifying? But it does poke you because you feel like you need to defend it, saying, "No, guys, no, I'm proud of all the food." Can you even imagine?
Oh, yeah, me too. I also like dosa. I would choose that.
No, but imagine when people want to troll you for things, they'll pick
will troll
anything.
you.
Yeah, and then they'll say, "Thank you for replying, ma'am, big fan."
Makes me think कि जब हम जर्नलिज्म की बात करते हैं, एथिकल जर्नलिज्म प्राइमरी होता है, सब उस पर स्ट्रेस करते हैं. इवन द शो देयर इज एथिक्स दैट कम्स इन द पिक्चर बिग टाइम, बट कहीं ना कहीं एज एक्टर्स ऑल्सो आज एक डिबेट है कि एक्टर्स ऑल्सो नीड टू सॉर्ट ऑफ मेक श्योर कि आप रोल्स एथिकली करो. अगर आप ग्रे शेड्स कर रहे हो तो आप उसको ग्लोरीफाई ना करो. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिबेट ऑन दैट. व्हाट इज योर टेक एज एक्टर्स और अ मेकर, यू नो, इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेइंग ग्रे शेड्स एंड नॉट ग्लोरीफाइंग?
मैं अक्सर ग्रे रोल्स करता हूँ. So for some reason people come to me with a lot of grey roles, and I think if I started thinking like that, I mean there has to be freedom of expression in our craft. मतलब मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है ये, ऐसे इंसान है सोसाइटी में, I'm just portraying them. So if I had to think that way, I wouldn't have done half the things I've done. I don't take myself seriously enough to think that I have some kind of responsibility to society. I'm an actor. I portray people on screen, what the makers make and how they want me to portray it, and I do my best at that. And there are people like this, so you can't just ignore all of society and say कि सब राम और लक्ष्मण है इस दुनिया में, तो है ही नहीं. मतलब रावण भी, उसका भी वजूद है, तो somebody has to play that part. And I've done a lot of them, and I've had the most fun I've ever had on screen playing those parts. So suddenly if I had to be responsible for it, I think that's a little ridiculous to expect from an artist.
What was your take?
I don't think everybody is black or white. I think everybody is grey, everybody is flawed. And eventually, cinema is a reflection of life, and life is what you're representing in films, and vice versa. They all impact each other. Now, if you are telling a story of people who are, let's just say, like really quote unquote bad human beings and doing what they're doing, and it's a story, you know, that is very aggressively portraying them as protagonists, it's always nice, say for example, the actors don't have that moral responsibility because we're not judging the characters we play, but of course perhaps in interviews and such platforms the makers can always give a perspective about the thought of that film or that project. But I don't think as actors or performers you can look at something as ये बुरा इंसान है या अच्छा इंसान है.
What matters the most, you know, कि आप अगर एक ग्रे कैरेक्टर है और उसको भी मे बी फ्लैम्बर्ट वे में भी दिखाया है, उसके पीछे का इंटेंशन आपका क्या है? Where do you take the story finally? Where does it end? You know, you need to judge it in totality. You know, कि how the character, how the story pans across, like, you know, a season, or if it's a feature film, like, you know, over those 2 hours, and where do you end it? You know, so that is very important. So आपका intention अगर सही है, basically वो जो दिखता है, like, you know, people, like audience understands the intention, basically why you are trying to do something. So if you are just trying to exploit it just for, like, you know, क्योंकि ये चलता है, that shouldn't be the thing. But otherwise, I think characters को तो definitely, मतलब ग्रे क्या होता है, हमारे अंदर ही है, तो मूवी तो.
But the audience is also coming from a place where I feel movies impact the audience
Of course,
a lot.
of course.
So उस तरीके से आप क्या कहना चाहोगे, मैम?
Sorry,
But,
the audience impacts the movies as well,
Exactly.
right? Sorry.
Yeah. I agree with everything that's been said here, and really have nothing much more to add. I agree with that it's art. Cinema is a form of art, and art is not responsible for the morality. And that's something that the society is responsible for, and art is a reflection of your society. And so that's the way it needs to be looked at. And I love what Shreya said, that if you have portrayed a character, that is, you can only portray the character in its authenticity if you believe in that character. And if you start looking at that character as being wrong, then you're judging the character and you're not portraying it. But the option to that when you're talking about
Public
the thing,
platforms, yeah.
when you look at what is the thought that's gone behind it, I think that's a beautiful way of saying what it
I
is.
want to ask you, ma'am, that when season 1 came, you said that मुझे कुछ अलग करना था, मुझे कुछ different करना था. I wanted to somewhere challenge myself. It's great that season 2 is also coming, but now when you look back at your choice after a long time was Broken News, कहीं ना कहीं वो satisfaction आती है that I'm so glad that this was my choice and I did not opt for anything else.
No, definitely there is satisfaction because ये series special है, अमीना का character special है मेरे लिए. तो जब भी मैं देखूंगी, आज सिर्फ जब season 2 आ रहा है तभी नहीं. In life, whenever I look back at it, I will look back at it with a lot of satisfaction and with a lot of fulfillment.
Right. Do you see a difference within you as an actor from before versus now? Have you feel कि कहीं ना कहीं वो evolvement हुई है मेरी भी as an actor?
I'm a human being, and if I don't evolve, I'm dead. So, and as an actor, the same thing applies. So, unless you have to keep evolving, and so definitely there is evolution and there is growth. And if I did not grow and if I did not evolve, if I was not relevant, I would not be doing or working just now or sitting here and having this conversation. I would have faded away from public memory.
No, that can't happen. That is never happening. You're one of the prettiest we've ever had in the industry.
I was saying that before this term national crush came, she was the pan name,
yeah.
India
For
crush.
sure.
Yeah.
So I get reels and I get her old videos and I'm like, I don't
Stunning.
think we have this beauty like right now because
Oh my
I
God,
think her
thanks.
stunning. So I
You
just
must go back and watch this song Sawan Barse Tarse Dil.
Oh.
I mean, क्या बोलूं?
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Sonali hasn't worn blush because it's naturally coming. The flush on her skin is.
And the other one is the Nirma commercial.
Yes, that was iconic. The
Yeah.
Nirma
I've
one.
forgotten that song, Savan Barse. It's such a beautiful
Beautiful
song.
song. And
Yeah.
like, well pictured. Everything is like so nice and beautiful.
How do you feel when you look back at these things? Like how nostalgic do you get?
Oh, about the song?
About the song, about whatever Sarsing.
No, I think I have to tell you what I feel, and you will know what I'm saying. All my life, I'm not a trained actor, I'm not a trained dancer, and the nightmares and the most fearful thing in my life was when I was shooting for songs. So I've never enjoyed shooting for songs. And can you imagine the irony that the most popular things about me, and as soon as you sit in front of me, you're remembering all the songs, and I've had such amazing songs.
Yeah.
And my journey and my growth has been through the songs. The films have not worked, songs have worked, and it's taken me forward. Look at the irony of life.
Wonderful.
Was there
Yeah.
a reason you were very nervous or just
Because I'm not trained dancer, so I was always petrified that I'll be caught, and I have been. And it's traumatic to be doing that when you know you're not trained.
I think you did it beautifully. So I want to ask that what about the story is so personal to you that you felt like you need to, say it out aloud? Like how did you personally connect with it?
What's happening in my world around me, the way things are happening, and I'll say it a little more openly, like how things are happening politically and how the media is responding to them. That is a primary reason why I thought that ये series बनानी चाहिए. और I'm very happy कि ZEE5, BBC, all these actors, all of us put our energies together. और हमने एक मतलब मरते वक्त ये बोल सकता हूँ कि हाँ उस दौर में मैं ब्रोकन न्यूज़ का हिस्सा था. तो इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए? और इसके पैसे भी मिले.
Very important. Also, fun fact for you: this was season 1 was adapted from a British series called
This is
Press.
original, yeah.
And it's actually wonderful and very rare that Press didn't have a second season, but the Broken News
Okay.
has one. So that's a very rare thing. So we're really proud of that.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Shreya, I want to ask you, what is your deal with news? You're doing a Taza Khabar and then you're doing Broken
Taza
News.
Khabar has
What
nothing
is
to do with
happening?
Taza Khabar is magical,
yeah.
news. In fact,
Yeah.
a lot of people confuse the titles and they think Taza Khabar is broken news and they get confused.
Yeah.
But Taza Khabar, of course, is about
This guy's life.
a boy who finds these mystical powers where he gets the news before it actually happens, and that rags to riches story. And the whole philosophy of, is that superpower going to be a boon or a bane?
Yeah.
So I mean, they're completely different worlds, and I'm like a sex worker in that, so it's completely different. But this was so exciting for me to explore because I didn't have an idea of this world, and it's so fun that as an actor I get to live these different lives. And acting has just made me understand myself better. It helps me be more present and live life better because I'm so present. When we're acting, we're present, aren't we? We're not thinking. And over the years, I noticed that even generally in life, when I'm talking to somebody, I'm talking to you now, my mind is not here and there. I'm present. So I think in a beautiful spiritual manner, it's just made me a better person and enabled me to live life in a more wholesome manner. When I play characters like these, that sort of enable all of that.
We spoke about it.
Yes, and I don't think that was your question, but I mean, I just felt like saying that, it's so rare, and especially, and I have to say this, you may not always get the opportunity to play characters where you live this kind of a graph. In some projects, you may have a limited time or whatever, but then when you get a role like Radha, you really want to enjoy that process. You want to milk it.
Yeah.
And as a woman in the industry especially, it's not always that you will get such parts.
No,
So,
absolutely.
yeah.
No, and before I leave, I want to ask you, you've come in the second season, so kahin na kahin, did you feel like, does it affect that as an actor? Because these guys already have their camaraderie and then you're coming in, and how does it work?
We were ignoring
Well, we
him,
need
not
to.
talking to him.
No.
And we are listening to you.
Yeah,
What are you going
these
to
guys
say?
are just
Hmm?
terrible. Maybe I don't know. It's a good question, and people have been asking me this question, and every time people ask me, I'm thinking, "ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं?" Because these thoughts never crossed my head.
हाँ.
And people are like, "ये already existing hit show है, तुम्हारी entry हो रही है, तुम्हें नहीं लगता है कि तुम्हारे लिए जगह है कि नहीं?" I mean, for me, it was a working relationship with Vinay. We had worked together, so
No, sorry, I'm cutting you off.
Yeah.
I'm just coming from a place where I feel like actors kind of feed on each other's energy a
Yeah.
lot
Yeah.
in their process in acting.
Achha, you mean it from that
I mean it from that
They were
perspective.
great. They were great. From
that-
day one,
yeah.
I hit the ground running because they were great. They almost invited me in कि आजा कर हमारे साथ. Welcome to Broken News. And that इनका बड़प्पन है शायद मुझे पता नहीं, but I never felt for a second I was an outsider. I felt very much a part of the show from day one. I don't know. Maybe that's just my positive, optimistic outlook on life. But that's the way I read every.
Yeah.
No,
experience.
maybe we are really nice
Right.
people,
Let's just say that.
Also, luckily, his character, Ronnie, is somebody who's also sort of taking over the office, right? So that was new for us as well. So it actually worked beautifully.
I guess he does come from outside, literally.
Literally.
Also, yeah.
So that was actually really nice because it was similar. It sort of ended up being the same.
No, all the very, very best for Broken News Season 2.
Thank you.
Thank you for your performances.
Hi, please like.
Share.
And subscribe.
To Instant Bollywood
And don't forget to watch the Broken News Season 2 on
On-
Z5
on 3rd May.
May.